Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your April general read. Let's see what shows up for you, what are the energies surrounding you now, and how you can use this reading to have a wonderful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, Scorpio, will not resonate with each and every one of you. Do keep that in mind, take what works for you, and leave the rest. So let's begin your reading. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, welcome back all my subscribers. I'm very happy to have you back here, and if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, you can email me. My email is in the description box below. So bottom of my deck, Scorpio, I see the 8 of Swords. Who's overthinking? There's a lot of overthinking going on, trapped in your mental prison of your own thoughts here. So keep this in mind. I could be picking up your energy, Scorpio. I could also be picking up the energy of someone who's really attached to you. Okay, so this could be you or somebody else who's connected to you. Okay, so currently I have the 6 of Wands. Somebody is wanting victory or feeling victorious, maybe regarding a reunion. One second, I'm gonna start clarifying these cards, Scorpio. Let me just take a Ganesha Oracle card. Let's see what Lord Ganesha has for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Guidance. You get the card of guidance. So let's start your reading. So what's the 6 of Wands, Spirit? 6 of Wands. 6 of Wands. For Scorpio. Yeah, somebody wants to feel victorious now. If there's been any kind of ending here, 6 of Wands is clarified by the 6 of Wands, but even though somebody really wants to have victory and, kind of feel important, maybe something ended in the past, something with something or somebody ended in the past. As much as they want to kind of make things right and feel, applauded or put on a pedestal, somebody is feeling a little ashamed and embarrassed of their actions. Scorpio, this could be you. I don't know what ended in the past, but you really do want this, pain to end now. You want to find victory once again, but you don't know how to. You don't know how to make things right now. Maybe some past actions where, one is feeling a bit embarrassed to approach this again. Let's see what happened in the recent past. Queen of Swords. What's the Spirit in the recent past? Queen of Swords. Maybe there was somebody in your life who kind of picked themselves up, made a choice, and went off for a fresh new beginning for themselves. And I have a feeling the other person now wants to heal this, get victory with this past person, because I have a 3 of Cups coming up in April, which is reconciliation, getting back together, celebration. Let me see what's this 3 of Cups, Spirit, for April. Yeah, somebody wants somebody to return here, Scorpio. Somebody wants, reconciliation. Somebody wants a return of somebody who's actually left them in the past. What's this 3 of Cups, Spirit? One more. Yeah, somebody doesn't want this chapter to end with whoever's left them, and they want to come out of this place where they're always feeling neglected or feeling abandoned and feeling neglected, basically. They don't like the fact that the person who's left them is no longer offering loving, energy or offering them anything. Yeah, you're getting a lot of repeating cards here, Scorpio. King of Wands with the King of Wands in reverse. I have the Three of Cups with the Three of Cups in reverse. Right? So the problem here is, Scorpio, somebody wants a reconciliation, but the other person doesn't. Okay? The person who's made up their mind that the situation has ended means it, meant it. So, what else for Scorpio? What else for Scorpio for April? Yes, somebody doesn't want this connection to backfire, that they don't want a reconciliation. This could be a job which you were in, which didn't work out, it ended. As much as you want to go back to that job, that boss could be saying, hey, listen, it didn't work out in the first time, and we're not interested anymore, or something like that. So just be a little mindful that you don't kind of get hurt during this pursuit of whatever you're chasing, Scorpio, because I do see people seeing you having a tower moment here in April. Maybe a refusal could affect you. Let me see. What is Scorpio holding on to, Spirit? Holding on to the Six of Cups, something from your past again. Scorpio, they're holding on to some good memories, I think, of the past, and you want this past to return back to you, and you want the stress and tension to be over in your life. But the whole problem again is, I don't think the other person is interested. One more. Six of Cups. What's Scorpio holding on to? You still want that passionate new beginning, you want that excitement, you want that happiness, but yes, you want your Two of Cups back. If this is something, a partnership which really made you happy in the past, Scorpio, you want it back big time. You really want it. You're holding on to this wish of yours, but I do see something left your life and you are still wanting it back. What should Scorpio let go of, Spirit, here? Let go of the Nine of Wands. Always saying, I'm going to try one more time. If something hasn't worked out for you, Scorpio, in the past, maybe multiple times, I think it's time now to, don't stay stuck in the situation forever. If something hasn't worked out multiple times, somebody doesn't want, this reunion or whatever, I think it's time now to get unstuck from the situation. Your overthinking is not going to change the other person's mind, right? You can't convince an ex-boss to say that, you should hire Scorpio back. That totally depends on the other person. So I think, yes. One more. You are desperately trying to salvage something which didn't work out in the past, Scorpio. You want to come out of this regret and sorrow, and you just want your life to transform because you realize this past thing gives you a lot of happiness. This, like I said, this could be an old partner, could be an old partnership, old love, old job, business, I don't know. But I think it's time now for you to let go of hanging on to the past. It's keeping you stuck in your life. Okay, so what can become the biggest blockage in your life, Scorpio, in the month of April? Queen of Cups. Yes, you desperately are waiting for that. You're desperately waiting for something which is imbalanced, something which is not being offered. It's getting more and more delayed, and but you want it. You love it. You want it, even though you know it's not coming back together. This can become a blockage in your heart, Scorpio. You have to allow the energy to flow. I have no clue what this is all about, but I do see an obsession almost to recapture something from the past. Okay, People see you having a tower moment. Why is that, Spirit? Why is Scorpio having a tower moment? Scorpio, I know you're trying very hard to manifest this thing back, but people are realizing that you are kind of becoming obsessive here. You're trying to be, or this could be a cross watcher, I don't know, Scorpio. Somebody here, even though something is not working out, somebody is trying to create a scenario where they can dictate terms to something which is not working out. And I still don't see the other person very happy with this investment that you're trying to ask them to put in, right? And once this person gives you an answer to say, hey, I'm not interested, I'm dropping it, this could lead to a big tower moment for you, or whoever the person is in this dynamic who's like almost obsessively convinced themselves that they can manifest the past into the future. Okay, let's see what Spirit's secret message is for you. Chariot. Yes, you need to focus on the future here, Scorpio. Forget the past now. If it's not coming, it's not coming. You can't overthink a situation to where the other person will agree to what you want. Chariot, why is that a secret message? Yes, if something has ended in your life, there is no stability here, there is no happiness in the past with something which is, kind of already broken down. Spirit's message is for you that you have to look forward now. They're providing you with a beautiful chariot, Scorpio. Don't look back into, oh my God, I'm not happy because this didn't work out. Okay, let's take one more. Chariot, why is that your secret message for Scorpio? Absolutely. How many repeating cards will you get? Six of Wands with the Six of Wands, Three of Cups with the Three of Cups, and now here I have the Chariot with the Chariot in reverse. This is like taking one step forward and two steps back. You have the opportunity to move forward, but all you're doing is looking back. And because this is still not working out for you, Scorpio, you are unhappy with your life. So if you want to move forward, just keep this card. Any other advice, Spirit, for Scorpio? Yes, that is, you want something back desperately and you're willing to, or somebody is. It's not going to work out from what I see, at least in April. Do not ruin your health, wealth and happiness trying to recapture the past. That's all I'm going to say here. If you can get guidance from maybe a therapist or your parents or your family or your friends, I think it will be a wise choice, because you cannot let the past dictate your future. It's only bringing you unhappiness. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.